You can also easily insert out charts inside of Google Drawings. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to click on Insert, then go to Chart right here and choose the type of chart that you want to insert. Let's say, for example, if I want to insert a pie chart, I can click on Pie right here, and then you can see that it inserts a pie chart right here. But you do need to work around with its data, and to work around with its data, you need to click on the link chart option right here and open up the source. And now what happens is that it opens up the source in Google Sheets. You can also check out my tutorial series of Google Sheets if you want to learn more about charts that you can generate in Google Sheets. So over here, you can see that there's different names right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in male and female right here. So let's just go around and type in male and female. I'm going to erase this and I'm going to go around and enter out the data right here, as you can see, just like this. So once I do that, let me just go around and change around the data so that you have something like this. So once this is done, you can just close around the Google Sheets right here, get back to Google Drawing, and if you were to click on update, then what happens is that you have the updated sheet, as you can see right here, with the generated chart. So you can go around, resize this out. You can also alternatively go around and insert existing charts from Sheets. So over here in Charts from Sheets is an option, as you can see. So if you were to click on this, you can go around, select out a Google Sheet that you have in your Google Drive, click on select, and over here you can select out the charts that you want to insert and make sure that it is linked to Spreadsheet as well. So if you were to import this, then the linked sheets are imported, as you can see right here. So if some changes happen in the Google Sheet itself, then you can open out the source and then open out the source, make changes, and you can update this out because it is dynamically linked. But if you want the charts over here to be independent, you can go around over here and unlink this out. So now the chart become independent right here, and they are not linked to the main Google Sheet anymore, and you have this as a regular image over here in Google Sheets, over here in Google Drawings, as you can see right here. And that is how you can insert out charts inside of Google Drawings. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.